Dandelions. People either see them as weeds or as flowers, but there's some people who see them as food. Hello and welcome to Deliciously Awkward. My name is AJ and today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to make fried dandelions. So the idea from this came from one of my favorite food personalities right now, Alexis Nicole Nelson, also known as Black Forager. And if you haven't seen her before, I'll put a link in the description. So she recently had a video where she made dandelion fritters. So because my yard is full of dandelions right now, I had more than enough. So I picked some fresh. There might even be some ants still crawling around in here. So dandelion fritters. Let's go make it awkward. So you make the batter by combining half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. Mix until combined. Now the batter is really thick and sticky, but do your best to coat each flour head and put face down in a hot pan with vegetable oil. Once browned on one side, flip them over, cook a little on the other side, and then place on paper towel to drain. So my dandelion fritters have been cooling and draining off the excess oil. I think I'm ready to try one. I'm surprised how good those are. I mean, it's mostly batter. The dandelion itself doesn't have much flavor, but there is some sweet grassiness that comes through. But yeah, this is really good. I think everyone should try this. I mean, if your yard looks like mine, again, just dandelions everywhere, pick some, fry these up, really good. I mean, I happen to already have all those ingredients, so the dandelion part, completely free. And there were definitely still some ants crawling around, so added protein boost, win-win. Yeah, they could use a little dipping sauce. Not sure what kind of sauce would go best with dandelions, but again, not bad on their own. I could knock back some more of these, make another batch. So I'm gonna go pig out on the rest of these dandelion fritters, but in the meantime, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and remember to embrace the awkward, and I'll see you next time.